Welcome to another session of negotiation. In this video, we will review the different steps in the process of negotiation as well as some advice on how to better set specific objectives. Negotiation planning. There are 7 fundamental steps in an ideal negotiation. First, preparation. This is when negotiators decide what is important, define their goals, and anticipate ways to collaborate. On step number 2, rapport, they get to know each other. They understand similarities and differences and commit to this negotiation. This is a little chit-chatting or conversation that often is not related to the substance of the negotiation. On step number 3, negotiators collect information. They learn about the situation, their counterparts, and his or her needs. They also assess the feasibility of closing the deal and learn the consequences of not closing it at all. Number 4, the use of information. In this step, negotiators make their case and basically choose results and prefer deals. On step number 5, they continue with the proposal. This includes the process of dancing by anchoring first and then offering and counter-offering. On step number 6, closing the agreement, they either sign a contract, shake hands, or basically agree on a particular deal. On step number 7, the implementation of the agreement. This step includes the execution of what they already signed for. In this particular step is when negotiators realize that whatever they sign can be improved. When negotiators plan, they need to distinguish between long-term planning, called strategy, and short-term one, called tactic. An executive placing repetitive orders with a supplier should plan long-term, while getting ready for upcoming meeting qualifies as tactic. When getting started, negotiators should decide if it is worth it in the first place to negotiate. Keep in mind, not every invitation to negotiate should be accepted. Sometimes, walk away is the smartest move. Once an individual has decided to proceed and negotiate, before the negotiation starts, this person should assess how important are outcomes and relationship. With this evaluation in mind, the person can prevent future regrets. In the preparation phase, and never in front of counterparts, the negotiator has to set his or her goals. It is important to do this in advance and away of counterparts to avoid pressures and not to show hesitation or any kind of weakness. Goals should include not only expected outcomes, but also the expected process to follow. Always remember, wishes are not goals. They should be specific, measurable, and concrete. They should include limits, and usually they are set in relationship with goals of the counterparts. When goals are intangible, the negotiator still needs a way to know if they were achieved or they were not.